Does your laundry take 3 days to dry in the winter? Does it end up smelling damp and musty because it is sitting on the drying rack for too long? Stop turning your heating up. There is a smarter way. Today, I am going to show you the Burrito Method. It is a simple physics hack that cuts drying time in half without using a tumble dryer or electricity. Here's the science. A washing machine's spin cycle is good, but it still leaves a huge amount of water trapped deep in the fabric fibers. Air drying alone cannot move that water quickly enough in a cold house. We need to mechanically extract it first. Step 1. The setup. Take a large, dry, fluffy bath towel and lay it completely flat on the floor or a table. Take your wet garment, let's say a t-shirt, and lay it flat on top of the towel. Smooth it out so there are no wrinkles. Step 2. The burrito. Starting from the bottom, roll the towel and the t-shirt up together into a tight sausage shape. Roll it as tight as you possibly can. Step 3. The extraction. This is the crucial part. Now that the wet item is wrapped inside the dry absorbent towel, you need to apply pressure. Knead the roll vigorously with your hands, or even better, gently step on it with your clean feet. Your body weight forces the water out of the clothes and instantly transfers it into the dry towel. Step 4. Unroll and hang. Unroll the towel. Your t-shirt will now feel almost dry to the touch. Place it on your drying rack or a hanger. Because you have removed 80% of the moisture, it will air dry in a fraction of the time, smelling fresh and clean. Try the Burrito Method on your next wash. It is a game changer for winter laundry. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more practical life hacks that save you time and money.